Meditation is not something you do in your little corner of the house. It is good to do that as a discipline. But really, meditation should go with you, should flow with you. Such a meditation is not apart, but it is the total movement of your life. Doesn't matter what you do, add awareness. So every action is meditation. With this meditative mind, we will make a chai. Because I love making chai early morning. My wife is a good cook, but she loves my chai. Every day morning, whenever I wake, I have this kind of table, and these are very simple spices. In ancient Ayurvedic knowledge, wisdom, and healing art, all these spices, they come from the plant kingdom. And each plant has a spirit. Each plant has an awareness. Each plant has a deity. This is a fresh lemongrass leaves. Lemongrass has nice flavor. It is sweet and astringent and little bit pungent. But this is beauty that lemongrass, it really opens your heart chakra. Like a Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, it will unfold the cellular intelligence, and these qualities will yield into the chai. Second important is peppercorn, black pepper. Black pepper or peppercorn is called marich. And marich is another name of sun. There is so much solar energy, heating energy, and this black pepper will improve the circulation, will improve the agni. And also it has excellent aroma. It will improve your clarity of perception. It will improve your circulation, and it will make your stomach ready to receive the chai. This is a green cardamom. Cardamom is called Ela. This green cardamom has such a wonderful, unique fragrance that it opens heart chakra. And cardamom is myocardium. See, this is the beautiful word. Myocardium is cardamom, and cardamom really acts on the heart muscle, and suddenly you fall in love. Because heart is the seat of love. So cardamom enhances love. Love is clarity. Love is compassion. Love is very cardiac feeling. So this is called cardamom. Then clove. Clove is called lavanga. Lavanga, anga means body. Love means flexibility. Your body will become flexible. Your muscle will become flexible. They will remove that stress and tension. This is very interesting ingredient in the chai. Clove has its own flavor. It is sweet and pungent, but it is excellent. Then comes nutmeg. Nutmeg is jati phala. Jati means birth, phala means fruit. Because it looks like female ovary, which is very good. Phala means anta phala, jati phala. This nutmeg is narcotic. Nutmeg is tranquilizing. It is nidra devata. Nutmeg is like goddess of sleep. Nidra. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Nidra Rupena Samstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namah. If a person has insomnia, you rub this nutmeg on a rough stone with a water, 1 teaspoon of water, and make a paste and apply to the forehead. If you apply nutmeg paste to the forehead, your headache will be gone and you will get sound, tranquil sleep. So this is Nidra Devi. Then the last ingredient is cinnamon. In Sanskrit it is called twak. Twak means bark. This is a special tree, tall tree with an excellent bark, and as the tree grows, the bark also grows. The old bark gets stretched and you fall down, so there is no himsa, there is no violence. Automatically tree starts shedding the bark. This bark is wonderful for cleansing the mouth. It will take care of the bad breath. But cinnamon has a sweet pungent taste. It will improve the flavor of the food. Now here in this pot, I am putting about 1 cup of water. Excellent. Wow, this is beautiful. So this water is about to boil. So I have taken 4 or 5 sliced ginger, and I'm then cutting them into smaller pieces. In Sanskrit it is called karma upaga, means ginger enhances the quality of all spices. So now all these spices are ready. Now is the time to add tea powder. So this is 1 teaspoon. It depends upon chai. If you want a mild chai, then put only 1 teaspoon. But if you want a little stronger chai so that the flavor will last for a couple of hours, 2 teaspoon. I love that kind of 2 teaspoon tea powder. Will give you nice, good flavor. Then this is turbinado sugar. It is prepared from dried and crystal sugarcane juice, no chemicals in it. It absorbs moist, that's why it becomes little thick. So I'm making it loose. And you can add sugar according to your taste. Some people add 1 teaspoon enough. But I like little stronger chai, so I'll put 2 teaspoons sugar. So sugar and tea in equal proportion. Wow, amazing. It's a very refreshing smell. You know, certain Indian chai, they take a little time to yield their healing property into the tea. So you can stir all these spices and you can smell, it is amazing. Very refreshing smell. And regarding milk, don't put too much milk, then the flavor of the spices will be gone and you are drinking like milk like a baby, then the whole flavor is gone. So I will add little bit milk to show you the color, and you have to watch the color of the chai. The color of the chai should be little pinkish brown color, that's the best color. And this milk is added just to give little bit color to the chai. Little bit more. So people who are worried about milk because it is Some people have lactose intolerance and they don't like dairy product. But this much little milk will not create any lactose intolerance. On the contrary, these spices, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, they will make your system to accept this lactose. This is wonderful. Now let it boil again so that all the essence of spices and the black tea will yield into the chai. Nice. So this chai has such a nice aroma. Even it looks so gorgeous, yellowish brownish color. And we put little bit, almost 2 tablespoons of milk. And that is enough to give nice color to the chai. And this chai is so beautiful, then you can filter it. Oops. Wow, it is so delicious. When you swallow this spiced chai, you will feel the energy, the chi, the prana from the tongue, from the throat, trachea, esophagus, it goes down into the stomach. My guru used to use to drink about 12 cups of chai, not at one time, but every couple of hours. And I have seen he's a dynamo of energy. I think the secret of that energy, all these ingredients, as I have shared here, they are very beautiful. They will give you clarity, purity, compassion, energy, and creativity. This is the whole movement of meditation. And in this meditative act of making chai, it will unfold the love, the clarity, the compassion to your partner, your family member. I used to make chai for 5 people, so I will add 5 cups of water, and based upon that, I will add different spices. You have to multiply 5 times. So this is 1 cup recipe. Making chai is meditation. Making chai is a worship. And making chai bring good friendship in your relationship.